Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking into the content type, but this content type will be created on the admin center and then it will be inherited across all the site collections. So, for instance, I have this document, this site collection opened up already. So, I'll be creating a content type here. So, let's create a content type here, create content type, and I'll give some name to it, test CT ATM. So this will be the name of this content type. Okay, I'll be using the category as existing content types, and again let's select document content type and it will be a document. Okay, so I'll click on create. So the moment I created, you can see that there is one option showing up here which says publish. So the moment you publish it, this content type should start propagating in across the tenant. I mean, start reflecting in the across the all site collections. But this depends upon the number of site collections you have. If you have a large environment, it will take some time. The maximum time it can take is 24 hours or more than that. And if you have a small environment and small number of site collections, that it will take less time. Okay, and I'll just click on publish so that we can use it. Since my sites are very few, okay, I have a few site collections, so it should not take much of a time. I'll just quickly publish it. Okay, this should be visible in the site content type. It will not be there in the library content type, it will be there in the site content types. So the content has been published. If you want to verify, you can click on publish once again. So you can see that now the publish option is grayed out. You can see that I'm getting an option is unpublish and republish. So unpublish comes handy wherein you do not want this content type to be visible across the site collection. So just unpublish it and it will not be visible in any of the site collections. And then we have republish. So republish comes in handy. I mean, when you have make some changes into the content type, into this particular content type, and you want that changes to be updated in across all the site collections. So in that scenario, we use the republish option. Okay, so since we have not made any changes to it, let's do not use the republish option. Let's keep it as like that. Okay, we have published the content types. So like I said that my environment is a little bit less. Okay, it has a very less number of site collections. So let's see if I can see it right now away. Okay, I'll go to site settings, view all settings. Okay, and then site content types. All right, and let's look for that content type. It will be test. Okay, okay, now you can see that I can see test CTADM. This is the content type which is created on the hub level. So like I said that my tenant is a little bit have little set collections. That is why it is started to showing up instantly, and you can see that it is created on the hub. You can see it says content type hub. So I can use it in the set collections. Okay, so you already know how to use it, but still let me show you once again. I'll go to site content, I'll go to this document library, or else you can go to the library settings from the site content itself, site contents, and then I'll select the library I want. Okay, so this is the library where I want to use the content type. I'll select this. Okay, and then I'll go to settings. So it will navigate me to the library settings. Okay, content type is already enabled. I just need to add the content type, add from existing site content types. Okay, it will be a custom content type and test ctadmin add. Okay, so now I can use the same content type in the library, in the document library. Okay, but again, it will be just a basic page because I have not made any changes to this. It's just the default document type. If you want, I can create one document from it quickly. Okay, and you can see that I am getting this message that the document you are trying to open as a template would like to open and edit as a standard document. Yes, I want to open it as a standard document. So you can see it's completely blank. There is nothing into it. And if you want that this document type should be should have something, okay, apart from the blank doc. So what you can do is you can just click on settings, advanced settings. Okay, you can either enter the URL of a document or upload a new document. Okay, this is pretty much same. So I believe you guys know what needs to be done here. Okay, once you are done with the changes, just click on republish. So the changes which you have done, okay, it will be start propagating to across all the site collections. So this is one area from admin centers. You can go to the content type gallery for the complete tenant, or there is one more site which is a site content type hub. You can go there and can update or manage the content type. So this is the URL. It's content type hub. This is the URL, and if you go to the site settings of this and then go to site content types, so this will navigate you to the same page, which is this. Okay, let me show you quickly. Content type hub, I'll come up here, go to site informations, view all settings, and site content types. I'll open this. Okay, you can see, just look at the URL. It says site admin.axpx, okay, and it says site admin.axpx. So both of them, it navigating you to the same place. And if you want to verify, you can scroll down. Okay, you can see the content type which we created on the admin panel, it's showing up here. So it is basically interlinked with each other, and whatever changes you make on this site in the content type, it will show up in this area as well, and vice versa. Whatever you change, whatever you make any change here, it will show up in this place. Okay, so I believe it is clear to you. This portal comes in handy when you want a central content type to be used in across all the set collections. In that scenarios you can use it. Otherwise you always have the option to create a content type on the site level, and then you can use it on the subsites, and then subsites, and then subsites, go on. So I hope this is clear to you. In case you still have any doubts, so do let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to assist. Till then, happy learning. Bye.